At Cooks Illustrated, we know that making amazing burgers begins with the meat. Now, we're big fans of grinding our own, but if you don't have time to grind the meat yourself, follow these guidelines for buying the best possible commercial ground beef. First off, you want to buy ground beef labeled 80% lean, ideally ground chuck. It cooks up relatively tender, juicy, and flavorful. Now make sure you steer clear of packages labeled ground round. The round is a lean, tough cut that lacks the beefy flavor you need for a good burger. Also, avoid anything generically labeled as ground beef, which can contain cuts from any part of the cow and is oftentimes livery and tough. But don't just read the label, also take a close look at the product itself. If you see any ground beef that looks brown, don't buy it. That's a sign that it might not be freshly ground. Also, avoid any packages where you see juices leaking out of the meat. That beef may have previously been frozen. And finally, be aware that grass-fed ground beef is a very different product. It costs about 50% more than grain-fed beef, and we found that the leaner meat lacks the flavor and juiciness we expect in a burger. So follow our ground beef shopping tips and you'll be on your way to amazing burgers.